Hi kids! Come fast, I will show you something interesting today. This is a fruit fountain. There are variety of fruits. Isn't this fountain beautiful? So I will tell you the names of the fruits today. Apple, A P P L E, apple. Apple. Next is banana, B A N A N A, banana. Banana. Next is orange, O R A N G E, orange. Orange. Next is mango, M A N G O, mango. Mango. Then watermelon, W A T E R M E L O N, watermelon. Grapes, G R A P E S, grapes. Grapes. Cherries, C H E R R I E S, cherries. Cherries. Strawberry, S T R A W B E R R Y, strawberry. Papaya, P A P A Y A, papaya. Papaya. Pineapple, P I N E A P P L E, pineapple. Kiwi, K I W I, kiwi. Kiwi. Pomegranate, P O M E G R A N A T E, pomegranate. Custard apple, C U S T A R D, custard apple. Lychee, L I T C H I, lychee. Lychee. Muskmelon, M U S K M E L O N, muskmelon. Sweet lime, S W E E T L I M E, sweet lime. Guava, G U A V A, guava. 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 Blackberries, B L A C K B E R R I E S, blackberries. Pear, P E A R, pear, pear. Gooseberry, G, O, O, S, E, B, E, R, R, Y, gooseberry. So, you enjoyed today's lesson? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Next video on 25th January. Thank you. Bye-bye.